This is the second in a series of screencasts to demonstrate the simulation of projectile motion. In this screencast I'll show you how to calculate some of the important points along the path of the projectile. Alright, here's the first step. This shows how I derive the equations which I'm about to type in. So the first equation will be for the vertical component of the velocity, and I prepared this earlier, so there it is there. There's that equation which is equivalent to that using Geogebra syntax. Then I prepared the vertical displacement equation. It's that one there. Alright, then I just repeated that process and I replaced x for y and cos for sine. So here's your vertical component of velocity, horizontal component of velocity, and here's your horizontal component of displacement. Alright, then to create the formula for the time to reach the greatest height, I set the vertical velocity to be 0, and I came up with this equation after I rearranged it. So time to greatest height, that one there. Then I substituted that time to greatest height into the vertical displacement equation. I got this result. I'll just show you that. Okay. So the greatest height formula was that one there. And then this one was a bit problematic, but it was to work out the formula for the time of flight. I realised that I'd set the vertical component of acceleration to be less than 0, and that will be true in almost all cases that you do this with students in high school. If you don't like the possibility that AY could be 0 or positive, then you better change the value, maximum value of your slider. Anyway, I'm going to leave it how it is for now because I like exploring things like that. So time of flight formula, I entered it incorrectly the first time, so I'll have to copy that one there. Okay, and then to get the landing point formula, substitute that time of flight into your horizontal displacement equation. That's that one. And finally, to get your range, take note of this, and here's the formula. Okay, so I went through those very quickly. Pause the video, go back and watch each section if you want to understand those formulas. That's the end of this video. In the next video I'll show you a couple of different ways to plot the projectile's point and the path of motion. Thanks for watching.